gonna win? What's your name again? You.
You're welcome.
Do you want to do this? First, I'm just gonna call you G. G or D?
GC.
GC or DC? I hope DC wins, cause it sounds like it from a comic. He's gonna load his gun. And you almost shot him. I almost got him. Look at the health bar, it's like a little bit low. How are we gonna get out? Well, let's see. Hey guys, this is awesome. Check out my YouTube channel. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes. So let's do this battle. Oh, DC is winning. Let's go to DC right now. So DC, how do you feel about this game? You're gonna lose? Don't give up. Don't give up. So GC, how do you feel?
Good. I'm gonna win you, bro.
Let's see. Well wins gets to be called the best winner of Nerf guns ever. I'm gonna trick him out. Just watch. That's why I try to get this gun. Put my phone down. Guys, I'm gonna put my phone down, so you're gonna have to wait.
I won!
Who won?
I did. DC.
Oh, it looks like GC won.
No, I'm
And
DC.
the loser.
I'm DC. No, you lost. I said your butt.
We'll have a Nerf gun war in a few seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Round 2, start. Round 2, start. Whoever gets shot wins. Guys, I'm gonna shoot. Go. Yes, guys, I'm gonna shoot. Alright, guys, who's gonna win? DC? Wait, no. Seeds.